In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a prospect and view report in GoHighLevel sub-account. We'll walk through importing prospects into your sub-account so they appear in contacts, ready for campaigns and follow-ups. Before you start, it helps to have a clean CSV file exported from a spreadsheet with clear column headers like first name, last name, email, phone, and company. Make sure emails and phone numbers are in their own columns and remove duplicates if possible for best results. Open your GoHighLevel sub-account so you're on the dashboard for the location you want to update. On the left-hand menu, click Contacts. This is the home for all your leads, customers, and prospects. In the top area of the Contacts page, click Import. The Import tool lets you add people in bulk, which is much faster than adding them one by one. You'll be asked to select what you're importing. Choose Contacts since we're bringing in people rather than opportunities or other objects. Click Next to continue. Now, upload your file. You can click to browse or simply drag and drop your CSV into the upload area. If your file opens in a spreadsheet app by default, be sure you actually upload the CSV version. When it's uploaded, click Next. You'll land on the mapping screen. Here, GoHighLevel shows the columns from your file on one side and asks which GoHighLevel fields they should go into. Carefully match first name to first name, email to email, and so on. Accurate mapping is crucial for deliverability and personalization later. If you see a column you don't need, set it to Do Not Import so it's skipped. This keeps your contact records clean and focused. When you're satisfied with the mappings, click Next. You'll see a consent confirmation. Check the box to confirm these contacts have opted in to hear from you, that they've been contacted within the past year, and that the list isn't from a third party. This step helps you stay compliant with permission-based marketing and protects your sender reputation. Click Start Import. GoHighLevel will begin processing the file. Depending on the size, this can take a moment. When prompted, click Go to Contacts Now. You'll return to the contacts list where new records will appear as the import completes. A quick way to verify success is to search for a name or email you know is in the file. You may also see an on-screen summary of how many rows were processed, which serves as a handy immediate import report. That's it. You've successfully added prospects to your GoHighLevel sub-account and confirmed the results, so your database is ready for nurturing sequences, pipelines, and reporting.